question given here is two stars of each one solar mass is 2 into 10 power 30 kg are approaching each other or for a head-on collision. So when they are at a distance of 10 power 9 kilometers, their speeds are negligible. What is the speed with which they collide? And the radius of each star is considered to be 10 power 4 kilometer. Assume the stars to remain undistorted until they collide and use the known value of G. So the total energy of the stars is given by the formula E is equals to minus G mm by R plus half mv square. Or you can write it as this half mv square, this whole here v will be 0, so this thing will be 0. You'll be only headed with minus G mm by R or minus G mm by R. Now, when the stars are just to collide, the distance between them is 2r. Okay. Then you can take the kinetic energy of the both stars as half mv square plus half mv square, that is nothing but mv square. And the total energy of both stars is nothing but mv square plus minus G mm by 2r. By using conservation of energy, we get mv square plus minus G mm by 2r is equals to minus G mm by r. And here v square is equals to gm by minus 1 by r plus 2r, 1 by 2r. So the g value is 6.67 into 10 power 11 and m is 2 into 10 power 30. In this bracket you have r as 10 power 12 and 2r as 2 into 10 power 12, 2 into 10 power 7. So by calculating these values, you will get 6.67 into 10 power 12. Therefore, the velocity is root over, because here v square, no? So v will be root of 6.67 into 10 power 12. That's nothing but 2.58 into 10 power 6 meters per